The 2012 Ford Mustang 302 convertible by SMS Supercars. Special edition muscle cars are nothing new in today's world, so you can excuse us if some fall between the cracks every now and then. Sooner or later, though, some special edition muscle cars are just too awesome to let slip by, and this particular one from SMS Supercars is one such example. Unveiled recently during SMS Supercars car show and open house event, this special edition Mustang 302 convertible was built to celebrate the tuning company's partnership with the Sturgis Mustang Rally. So what makes it stand out from the rest of the pack? To begin with, the topless piece of American muscle was dressed up in an awesome Lizstick Red chrome bodywork that draws inspiration from the legendary colors of the Saleen. On top of that, SMS added a full body kit to go with an upgraded exhaust, a new S4 suspension system, a set of 20 inches chrome wheels, 14 inches front brakes with drilled rotors, and a full leather interior complemented with details of Alcantara. It will stand out from a mile away, and you'll also be able to hear it. The Mustang 302 was fitted with an Air-Aid cold air intake and a Boss 302 intake manifold from Ford Racing. With these new items on tow, the car's 5.0-liter V8 engine saw an increased output of 500 horsepower, a significant upgrade from the standard model's 440 horsepower output. Like we said, there's plenty to love about this SMS Supercars tuned Mustang 302, wouldn't you say?
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.